I was suffering from severe back pain and knee swelling before I started
Oh,
consulting you, Prashant. So I started like visiting rheumatologist and my orthopedic consultant, and they all advised me a treatment specific to that particular problem. Then when I started with you, Prashant, I think one thing which is a big plus point while consulting with you, because you have gone through with the same kind of pain, right? Everything you given me in one session, it was a progressive thing which my body can adjust, and I think within like few weeks I saw a lot of improvement in my pain
yeah.
and in my sleep.
Hi, I want to share this amazing story of my fellow client, Mayank Srivastav, who not only overcame his chronic pain but also improved his blood markers significantly. I mean, his ESR was 40 2 months back, and today his inflammation marker ESR is 2. Isn't that amazing? I mean, hope this story inspires you and you are encouraged to talk to people who can really help you overcome your chronic pain. Hey Mayank, how are you? Nice
Hey
to see you,
Prashant,
man.
I'm good. Yeah,
Okay,
thanks.
good,
I'm
good,
good. How are
good,
you?
good, good. So I'm also very nice, and so we got the report, your medical report, the latest medical report, and we saw that your blood markers are really good this time. So the ESR and CRPs are back to single digits from the time we started. That's a remarkable achievement. So yeah, tell us about yourself. Let's start with just introduce yourself to our audience, and who are you and what was your problem, how was this
Yeah,
journey? So start with that.
sure. Yeah. Hi, my name is Mayank Srivastav, and I am like 40 years old, and so I am in the IT industry, right? So like the shortcomings of the IT industry, you have to have a long sitting hours, and then it takes a toll on your muscle strength, right? So I have been suffering from back pain and a knee joint pain for almost more than 10 years, and it has grown up a lot in the last couple of months. So like with this COVID pandemic situation, and we all have to work from home, and it all started getting worse from around October 2020, and then I started having swelling in my knee back. Right, knee was having a lot of swelling, and while I was trying to cope it up with, and I mean consulted few doctors as well, and then I got swelling in both my knees, and then while like trying to get my swelling subside, I started having my back pain as well.
Yeah.
So even though I used to have back pain earlier as well, but it all started coming in one package after the year, like around end of the year 2020. So
Yeah.
I started like visiting rheumatologist and my orthopedic consultant, and they all advised me a treatment specific to that particular problem. So orthopedic doctor was advising to take medicine for my knee problem and for my back problem, and they were also suggesting medication and all, but I was not able to relate both the things together. So and then I think around in March month 2021, I again visited one of the doctor, and they mentioned that they were able to relate both of my problems, and he told me that I have a ankylosing spondylitis. And then I think before that as well, I got to know about you, Prashant, on one of the Facebook page where you have treated some of the patients of ankylosing spondylitis. Then I thought, let's check with you, because
I'm
I
not
have been
treating
suffering.
anyone, I'm just helping people. So yeah, I'm not a doctor, but yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. So before, like, I mean, just to give you an idea about the pain I was having, I was suffering from, severe back pain and knee swelling before I started
Oh,
consulting you, Prashant. So I used to wake up. I mean, my sleep used to get broken around like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. because of severe pain, and I used to do exercise. Or I mean, sometimes it doesn't used to subside as well. So I used to take painkiller, and it used to happen every day, and I was doing it like for the last like 10 14 days
mm,
throughout. So my sleep was completely like shattered, right? So then when I started with you, Prashant, I think one thing which is a big plus point while consulting with you, because you have gone through with the same kind of pain, right? So that, so you are, I think maybe we can find some other person who can suggest you some diet, but somebody who has already have been through that stage can understand the problem much better than anybody else.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think then Prashant, you advise me what I have to do from session to session bit, and it is not like everything you given me in one session. It was a progressive thing which my body can adjust, and I think within like few weeks I saw a lot of improvement in my pain and in my sleeping hours as well. So yeah, that's how like it all started, and yeah.
Yeah, that's quite a journey that you had, and I know that you went through a lot of pain because of the meniscus tear that you have in your knees, and that was one part. And second part was getting diagnosed with ankylosing spondylitis, which brings in a whole lot of pains in the body, neck, shoulder, lower back, and especially you have a sitting. You are in IT, but you are with a bank, right? So it's like a banker working in an IT firm. So,
Correct.
and that long sitting hours working with global banks. So I know the drill because it takes its own toll. Although we are working from home, which is a good thing for chronically ill people, but still, it has its own problems. It has its own share of problems. Yeah. So be tell me about how did you like the sessions, especially on EgosQ. What are your comments on that? Do you feel it is difficult, doable, or is that the way and that really helped you? What are your comments on EgosQ?
Correct. Yeah. So since I am in this like body pain for many years, so I have consulted many physiotherapists.
Okay.
So, but I mean, the set of exercises which are there in EGOSQ are like different from the regular physiotherapy exercises. And the one thing is that those are very easily doable exercises, and you can do it throughout your day as well. You don't have to find time like 1 hour. So even if you have a 15 minutes of break, you can find out some of the exercises which you
Yeah.
can do, right? So a very light exercises, very easily doable exercise, and very effective exercises as well.
Yeah.
So I
I mean, you
mean,
can do
just
one exercise, one posture, and you get immediate relief. That's the
exactly.
pain relief that you get, and which is like amazing. That's what uh, got me into this also, and I want to bring this to at least the people suffering from chronic pain and rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis. There's so many people out there, fibromyalgia, or even simple lower back pains. Now that we are spending so much of time on laptops and on mobiles and these things, it doesn't these things really take its toll on the body posture. And what we did was to just work on the posture basically. Yeah.
Correct, yeah. And just to let you know, even some of the exercises are so effective in EGOSQ that you feel relief in pain instantly.
Instantly.
So that, yeah, so that is very good part of it. And
Yeah.
you don't have to go to any physiotherapist and like spend hours, and you have, you know what exercise you have to do, and you can do it on in your home as well. So
Yeah, that's the wonderful part, that you can do it online. You're sitting in India, I am in Melbourne. Okay, so
yeah,
we are like poles apart and so far away, but still we got the results that we wanted, and the blood markers are down, the pain is reduced, and even if the pain comes back, which is like a constant thing in an ankylosing spondylitis, the exercises which will give you immediate relief. Okay, you can sit on chair and do it while you're working. The abduction and adduction exercises that I told you, and with the belt, and these things are doable right where you're sitting, and they give instant results. So those are really nice, and it's a good thing that we can do it in the comfort of our homes also. Tell me about what are your comments on diet and how crucial it is for us, and what did you learn about diet from this program, and what is your take on diet now?
correct. Yeah. So I think it is very important part of the sessions which we have gone through, Prashant. I think after this exercise, the second thing which we started with was on the diet part, and that has also, I mean, because you go through with some say articles online that what are the diets that are good for you, right? But
Yeah.
if you consult somebody, right, who I mean that keeps on like motivating you to go for a healthy diet, that that keeps you focus, and you cautiously work on improving your diet as well. So I think one of the things which I have incorporated on in my daily life is to have a smoothie, and that has also helped me a lot, right? So I have even though I am not like overweight, but I mean it is always good to remain in shape. So I have after like just after like taking smoothie for like couple of weeks, I think reduce my weight by couple of kgs, and it is though it is just like couple of kgs, but it brings a lot of good thing in your body, right? So all those like unwanted things in your body have left out. So overall it improves your metabolism as well. So you
Yeah.
feel much more energetic, you
More
feel much more
energetic.
refreshed throughout the day. So yeah, definitely diet is one part, and which also I think out. So there are like 3 4 things of this how you have to manage this whole pain, right? One is
Yeah.
your
Tell
one
us.
is
Tell us.
exercise,
What's
and
your
then
take?
second most important thing is the diet. So yeah, definitely one has to be very cautious about what they are eating, and it is not like you just Prashant, you have given me what to eat, and something which you have told me that what not to eat, what you should avoid throughout your life, right?
Yeah.
So that is also very important, because most of the time when you consult a dietitian, they don't tell you that what are the harmful things which we are eating on a day-to-day basis, because for them it is not that harmful,
Yeah.
right? But you have told me that I mean those are like should be avoided. I mean, if you cannot avoid, just keep it to a very minimum level of in your
Yeah.
life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Being with the way so many diets thrown around like keto, Atkins, intermittent fasting, and so on and so forth, paleo diet. So it's really important to focus on good nutrition for our body, and at the same time also look at that we are not consuming what the market is giving us, and we are eating
Correct. Yeah.
everything from Mother Earth. So some these are very basic things that we touched upon, but yes, working it also helps when you're working with a coach, and you get that momentum going, and we achieve the results. So that was the wonderful part. Yes, basically, and of course, when I say all of this, I don't discount the fact that we should not be looking at doctors. So basically, what it means is that um, you have to work with a therapist, somebody like me, a coach, okay, a coach and a therapist, and the healthcare providers. So which is the doctors and the medics and everyone, and follow through on your medication also. So it goes hand in hand. What happens is we rely too much on medicine, or we rely too much on exercises. That doesn't go well. So there has to be a balance here, and I'm sure you have got to know that. And
Yep. Yep.
so I hope you found Mayank's journey very, very inspiring. Please like and subscribe our channel. And if you have any comments, then do shoot it back to us. And till then, live with passion.